in this video I will show you how to view your own private story on Snapchat. Firstly, if you take a photo right now, for example, and then if you go on your send selection site, which is right down with the yellow setup, then for example if you scroll down, or simply if you want to get that story by just going for you need just to go new story right here and then just go new private story. And from now on you need to choose up a friend which you want to take off and get that private story. But for example, you're gonna also be available to create another account on which you're gonna get that site, and from there you can simply check that friend right here and go create story. Go create story, and you're gonna set that this is your private and just go save. And now go private story, go on the setting button, and then simply after resending that setup you need to go on your profile icon, which is right here, and from here guys you can simply open up your private section, which is right over there. You just need to tap on it, and now as you can see you have got your private story on Snapchat. Now guys, you know how to view your own private story.